Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. And the highlight of the briefing is the wet spell with thunderstorm activity over most parts of the country will continue during next 5 days. And in this briefing, we will see what was the observed weather during past 24 hours and what is the weather forecast for the next 5 days. So this is the hailstorm which was observed during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST of today. So as we can see, the areas are highlighted with the orange color where we have received the hailstorm yesterday, like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, interior Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and Telangana received the hailstorm activity during past 24 hours. And this is the map which represents the which area has received the thunderstorm activity yesterday. So all the yellow color area received the thunderstorm and lightning activity on 25th of April. As we can see, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, many parts of the northeast India and most parts of the central India, adjoining East India and the south peninsular India received the thunderstorm activity on 25th of April. This is the rainfall observed past 24 hours. So this yellow color area represents the region where the heavy rainfall was recorded. So as we can see in the Meghalaya, heavy rainfall was recorded in the Odisha, interior Karnataka and Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala received heavy rainfall during past 24 hours. And this white color area which represents where the weather was dry. So mainly the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh was dry yesterday. And in the remaining areas the light rainfall activity was recorded. This is the observed maximum temperature of 25th of April. As we can see, mainly the temperatures are below 40 degrees centigrade over most parts of the country, which are given in the red color area, except some parts of the western Himalayan region where the temperatures are somewhere between 35 to 32 degrees centigrade, and some parts of the Saurashtra and Kutch where the temperatures are 40 to 41 degrees centigrade was recorded. And this is the departure of the maximum temperature. So as we can see, in the most parts of the country, the maximum temperature departure is either normal or near normal, except the parts of northeast India where the departure is above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade, and except the parts of the Jammu division, parts of the Saurashtra region and some parts of the Kerala where the temperatures are above normal by around 2 degrees centigrade. This is the today's cheap synoptic feature. So as we can see, today we have a western disturbance in the lower and middle tropospheric levels which lies over the South Pakistan and adjoining areas, and in the lower tropospheric levels a cyclonic circulation lies over the southwest Haryana and another cyclonic circulation lies over the western parts of the Vidarbha. A trough line is also running from the west Vidarbha which goes up to the south interior Karnataka across the northern parts of the Karnataka. Because of these synoptic systems, if we look into the weather forecast and weather warning for today, that is 26th of April, so as we can see, mainly the central India, adjoining East India and the south peninsular India will receive the light to moderate rainfall over the many parts of the region. However, some parts of the West India and some parts of the Northeast India and the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand will receive the light rainfall activity at one or two places. This is the color-coded warning map in the graphical form. So as we can see, we have given the orange color warning mainly for the South Madhya Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha and Telangana. So in all the areas, all the orange color areas, there is a possibility of hailstorm activity on today, and in the remaining areas of the yellow color region there is a possibility of light thunderstorm activity. Tomorrow, that is 27th of April, there will be the light to moderate rainfall activity over the East India, adjoining Central India and some parts of the Peninsular India. And tomorrow there is also possibility of hailstorm activity over interior Maharashtra, Telangana and Odisha, which are given in the orange color, and in the remaining parts of the country there is a possibility of light thunderstorm activity except the East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and some parts of the Northeast India. And on 28th of April, there will be the fresh wet spell which will likely to affect northwest India. So as we can see, we have there is a possibility of light rainfall activity over some parts of northwest India, adjoining central India, and over the south peninsular India there will be the light rainfall activity over many parts of the south peninsular India. This is the weather warning. So as we can see, we have given the orange color warning for the Marathwada because of the hailstorm activity over the region, and in the remaining parts of the country yellow color warning is given because of the thunderstorm and lightning activity over the country. On 29th of April, so we have given the thunderstorm warning, yellow color warning basically for most parts of the country except the Konkan and Goa, West Bengal and Jharkhand and some parts of the northeast India. And similarly for 30th of April, that is day 5, there is a possibility of light rainfall activity over many parts of the northwest India, many parts of the east India and many parts of the south peninsular India also. This is the weather warning. So we have given the yellow color warning because of the thunderstorm activity over the country except the Jammu Kashmir, Konkan and Goa and South Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim. And for more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page and our Instagram page. Thank you.